Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Dogs Airdrop. So this is mainly for those of you that participated in the Dogs Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance to get a potential reward at the end. And for those of you that have not started getting some dogs point or dog score, please make sure to watch this video to get some potential advice on how you can go about this. So I made a video about how you can partake in this campaign. So I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So that is the step-by-step guide on how you can stay positioned for the dogs airdrop allocation to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you guys some important information on what to do and how to increase your dog allocation because they have introduced a new means by which you can get dogs airdrop. As you can see on the screen, introducing daily check-in. Hey dogs, check the app daily and receive an additional reward. So now you can just log into your dogs bots and get some reward. Well, I started this 3 days ago. I think today is the fourth day, and I've accumulated enough dogs score. So this dog score, they are going to convert it to dogs token at the end, and I'm sure this airdrop campaign is going to be massive because this project is being backed by a lot of Telegram pioneers and a lot of exchange as well. And currently, guys, a lot of exchange has started pre-market for dogs airdrop. So I'm going to make another video explaining that for you and the price prediction and when the project is to launch. So very soon I'm going to make another video for that. So guys, this is what you need to do to accumulate more dogs points. So what you just need to do is or you can just click on the docs link that I'm going to drop at the description of this video. Then it's going to direct you to your Telegram. Yours is to just click on the link, then it's going to direct you to Telegram. Make sure to activate your Telegram, then it's going to bring you here. Then you're going to see the score. So if you click here, you're going to see how many use Telegram. Even if you just open Telegram recently, you're going to get a score. But for you to accumulate points, you either refer or you check in daily. So you're going to see your rank, then click continue, click continue. So now for you to accumulate more points, what you just need to do is to participate in the daily check-in campaign. So if you participate in the daily check-in campaign, they are going to give you, at first they are going to give you 200, your second day 400, 800, I think like that. So this is my daily check-in. I started with 200, 400, and now I've gotten 1,800. So I think they are going to multiply it for you. And for you to get more dogs points, you need to invite, but it's not a must you invite, but you need to invite. And another way you can get dogs points is that a lot of you have friends. You can get their Telegram account, refer yourself to them, then check for them. Because anybody that is using Telegram is eligible for this airdrop. What you just need to do is to check your allocation for you to activate your dog score. So like I said, guys, this project is backed by many Telegram OG. So I think this is going to be a massive main token under the Tone ecosystem. So please make sure to check because recently the CEO of Telegram made a statement that he's a fan of dogs. So please make sure to check so that you stay positioned. You don't even need to stress yourself. Yours is to check your score. Then this score is going to be converted to the dogs token in the future. And this project is going to be listed very soon. So please make sure to be serious with this. And the important information you should know about this project is that, hey dogs, do you like to wait? Neither do we. Here are the key things about the upcoming dogs listing. No lock or vesting, dogs are free. Community gets the largest part of the token. You joined, you own it. No investors, dogs don't need them. No new supply ever. Telegram native utility, game changer. You will see for yourself. Okay, Tom blockchain, of course. We aim to create the largest community meme coin with the most original gangster dog ever. And guess what? The most Telegram dogs deserve to take this spot, really. New ways to earn dogs will be available soon, which is through daily check-in. So this is what you need to know about dogs at the time of making this video. 100% will be unlocked at TGE, so no vesting. Dogs listing update. A lot of projects have started endorsing this project. Dogs TGE could be on the 30th of this month because Gate IO campaign is going to finish around then, but maybe it is going to be the leading dog narrative for Dawn blockchain. Okay, so this is the important information you should know at the time of making this video. So if you have not started with dogs, you are not late to it. Yours is to check your allocation if you are a Telegram user. So I'm going to drop all the necessary link at the description of this video. So guys, this is the latest you should know at the time of making this video. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.